If it's about survival, isn't a little agony worth it?
I mean, what if it just gets worse? What if it's agony now and then it's just hell later on?
Oh, you can't hear me cry. See my dreams all die from where you're standing on your own. It's so quiet here and I feel so cold. This house no longer feels like home.
I'm fine. Yeah, aside from the constant, overwhelming, crushing fear that something terrible's about to happen.
It's called hypervigilance. The persistent feeling of being under threat.
I mean, it's not just a feeling, though. It's like it's a panic attack. You know, like I can't even breathe.
Like you're drowning.
Father locked you in a freezer in the basement to punish you. You didn't used to.
I felt utterly weak. Like I needed somebody to come in and rescue me. I hate that feeling.
What is it? What's happening? Well, I guess that makes me lucky, because I don't have anyone.
I want to not be scared.
It's you, Stiles. You killed your mother, and now you're killing me.
You can't hear me cry. See my dreams all die from where you're standing on your own. It's so quiet here and I feel so cold.